scheduled, like run every day or whatever. As you see, another file is going to get added here. This is not the most up-to-date, but here if you come look, you can also refresh folder. There you go. So these are getting added automatically instead of me going here every day remembering to download it. Hello there, this is Adrian at Timecodes Lab, where we value your most valuable asset, time. Guys, today I have a good video for you. I've been trying to automate downloading file like daily as a backup because I have DynaList. I use DynaList, so I wanted to just I need to go here manually and then go to backup. They already have a sync function, but to get the real backup daily, you need to upgrade to a premium version. Yeah, daily, Dropbox and Google Drive. So basically this is a workaround for that. And if you have a link, simple link, you can do the same. If you need to go to a website and click into places, this is not the tutorial for you. I'll show you how to do this via make.com, not Automa or other tools, Selenium, because they're, in my opinion, too complicated. Make.com makes it simple. So let's get into this video, and I'm excited. So how do we do this? So I can just show you first Automa and why it didn't work for me. If we go to the dashboard and I have my workflow, pin workflow. Okay, so if you look at this Automa thing, I will click run, but I couldn't find a way to click enter on the full desktop mode because it does not download yet. Like as you can see, it opens this, but even though I have a press enter, it's not really downloading it. So I don't know why, but I guess because there's this pathfinder thing, and in the downloads you cannot find anything. You cannot find anything. So let's click save and let's say cancel, run it again. As you can see, it's not really doing what I want it to do. Yeah. So the Automa thing didn't work. I also wanted to try Automator app, but let me show you Automator app. So here you can create an application, download. So it says download URL, but then I don't understand where do we put the input here? So it's probably because I'm a noob. You can definitely do this by yourself. So let me just show you what I did and what worked. I remember the video which Nick put out, Nick Sarayev, the gangster himself. So he goes into the website, gets the cookies. So we go into make.com, and let me just show you for a second something right here. So I just set it up. So basically, if you go to DynaList, in my case or in your case, whatever URL you have, if you click download backup and click download, you see this is the link that it sends you to, and basically it identifies you with the cookies who you are, but the link is always the same. So if you have a similar project where the link is always the same, it's just if you're logged into your account, you can probably use the same application that I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you do here now, you just follow basically this. You inspect element, inspect the element, and then this shows up. So here you go to the network tab. This is how databases basically, okay. So if you click Command R to refresh the page, and then you open this first one, here you can see all of the things that are being sent. So if you see here, we got request headers, and these are actually our cookies. So if you do this without, look at this. If you run this, it says not signed in. So it makes sense, yeah? If you're not signed in, then whose backup are you downloading? It needs to understand who you are. So what we do is we just take each of these and 1 second. So yeah, you take each of these and you put it into here. So you create headers. It's a DynaList backup get, create headers, and then you just copy these over, accept, and then this would be the header, accept encoding. So these are actually the cookies. And then the last one, I mean, you do all of this, yeah? 1, 2, 3. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And then you do cookie. Let's say cookie. So I've already done all of this. If you look over here, you have all of my cookies and nothing else, okay? So if you look here, we have the accept encoding, accept language, cache control, cookie. So you get this from here, as I showed you. This is probably the same for every website. You go to the network, and that's the document, and that's where the data is coming from. This is the backend database. This is the data. This data goes to the backend, and then we receive information, which is this page and all the data on this page. All right. So what we do from here, if you click run once, oh, well, it's okay. So here, what you get is actually a binary file. So first I thought, what do we do with this? But I know that Google Drive, and that's another thing I wanted to do. I don't want to just download it. I want to put it up to my drive instantly to have a daily backup, yeah? So this data, this binary data can actually be whipped into the data tab here. Yeah, that's my data. And it's a super long string, yeah? I mean, if you look here, you can see the file size is 209.63, whatever. So it's how many bytes? It's that's how many bytes it is. So what we do from here is that we go here, and because I know already that when I download something from DynaList, it's always a zip file. So I just assume that this is a zip file. So I just put .zip in the end, as you can see. And I also want to have a date. And I just put backup and then whatever text I have, which is the name of this file. So that's hard-coded. And then I click save, and I just put my folder ID, right? So that's how you do it, yeah? That's how you do it. Instead of going manually and downloading the file from here, which could be like this. Just click download, and then you put SSS, and then I have to go here every time, choose the folder, choose the backup, choose here, and then download it. So now you have it here. Instead of this, I just run this automation every day. I just put it every day at some time. And basically, yeah, I just click activate, yeah. So let's say I put it at 10:20 every day and activate scenario. Now I don't need to worry anymore, and I don't need to pay for the pro plan, even though I think this is one of the best apps out there ever. But it's just a play around. If you need to download files for any other thing and you have the URL, this is gonna work fine for you as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, it's not as complicated as some other tools out there, but you need to have a basic understanding of cookies, and I just showed you how to find those cookies and how to identify yourself via make.com or any other platform that you're using. Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, click the like and subscribe, join the Discord group, and if you need something automated for you, reach out to me at Adrian at Timecodes Lab, and see you next time. Bye.